Hello everyone, my name is Warren and I am the product genius here at South Shore Mini. Today I'm very excited to bring you the new Mini app. This is a most anticipated app that is going to serve as a direct replacement to the Mini Connected app that you all may be already familiar with and using on a daily basis. The new Mini app, over on the left here, is going to provide you many of the same great functionality that you've been enjoying in the Mini Connected app, but it's going to do so in a more modern and streamlined way, as well as providing you with some additional features and benefits. Mini just released this app a few weeks ago, so this very well may be the first time that you are hearing about it, and if so, I hope that this video will provide you with a great introduction to all of the great features packed into the Mini app. Clicking on the app brings us into our home page here, where immediately we're able to see that we are all good, and when that was last updated from our vehicle, we can see it was done just a few moments ago. We're able to receive a quick overview of our vehicle. We can see our fuel level, approximately how many gallons we have left, as well as the estimated range. We're able to click on check status and we're able to view our vehicle is locked. We'd be able to see any service messages or when service might be due for our vehicle in here. Right here along this strip we have 4 different remote functions, and these are the same as we had in Mini Connected. We're able to lock and unlock the vehicle remotely. We're able to flash the headlights, which is great for trying to locate your vehicle in a dark parking lot. And we're able to start ventilation, which would begin to condition our vehicle prior to us getting into it. At the top on the right here, we see a garage tab, and if we had multiple vehicles in your household, they would appear here. As you can see, I have 2. This would allow you to select another vehicle in your household and control it as well. Moving down the main menu, we find a quick button to locate our vehicle, and it gives our vehicle's location as well as ours. In this case, I'm sitting in the vehicle, so the two are essentially next to each other. However, if you were to be parked away from your vehicle, you'd be able to find it and even get directions back to it. We see the ability to turn on a ventilation timer, so we'd be able to have the ventilation start at a specified time. And then we're also able to view the history of all of the remote commands that have been sent to the vehicle recently. Scrolling down this main menu, we see a variety of dealer services. I have South Shore Mini already set as my preferred dealer. I would be able to come in and I could even schedule service directly from the Mini app. I would see a list of services that I would be able to select, and then I could set a date and a time for the appointment. I have the ability to find another dealer, which will search in the greater vicinity for any Mini dealerships. Scrolling down further to the bottom, I see some basic vehicle info, including the VIN or vehicle identification number, as well as the odometer, so I can see how many miles are on the car. There's a quick access right here, which brings us to the Mini Motorer's Guide, which is this separate application that you can download, and it provides you with a digital version of your owner's manual that can be a little bit easier to navigate versus flipping through the book. You also find at the bottom a way to quickly call roadside assistance. Moving over to the middle tab, we find our map. And here we're able to browse for destinations. We could directly type in an address, or we could look for either fuel, parking, or dealerships as points of interest. I'm going to look for the nearest gas station. All right, I found it here, 1.2 miles away. I'm able to view the route that I would take to get there, and then I'm even able to, as we've done before with Mini Connected, send this route directly to the navigation system in my Mini. You're able to see up here at the top, I have a little message. I'm able to actually just click on that, and I can see this is the navigation that I've sent from my Mini app. I can click on that. I can see that it's been sent from the Mini app. And clicking on the address, I'm able to start guidance.
In 100 feet, turn right.
And that takes me directly to that point of interest that I had sent from my Mini app. So this really provides customers a great way to plan out a route on the app while you're at home, send it to your Mini, and then when you get in and you're ready to drive, all you have to do is pull up that route and start navigation. Lastly, the tab all the way on the right provides you access to your account, a quick link to the Mini online shop. Here you're able to integrate Alexa with your car if you chose to do so. And there's some basic app info down here at the bottom. I hope this has been a helpful overview of the many ways that the new Mini app allows you to connect, interact with, and control your Mini. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Hope to see you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can stay up to date with our latest video content. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a nice day.